You know about the actions, the guardrails, the type of agents that you can build in Agentforce, and you have theories memorized. But no one is telling you exactly how to get started or how to set the right permissions. Well, I'm here to your rescue, and this video is your sign to build your first AI agent. As you guys might know already, Agentforce is a powerhouse which lets you customize and build your very own AI agents to use within Salesforce. If you're not familiar with the concepts of Agentforce, I have made a lot of videos around it where I've covered all the basics from Einstein AI to agent types. So please check them out first. Now getting back to the agenda of this video. If you have access to a Salesforce org, bring in your laptop or any device that you wish to use and follow along with this demo. Today I'll be creating an AI agent from scratch. It will be a service agent for a bank or banking organization. So it will be like a digital banking assistant. The purpose of this agent is to deliver personalized customer interaction, which means it will talk to customers or perform certain tasks such as open a savings account for them, or it will escalate complex issues if they are beyond its capabilities. So now to create an agent in like Agentforce, first we'll have to go to setup. In the setup, we'll type down Agentforce agents. And after clicking onto the same, we are going to get a button new agent on this side. After clicking onto new agent, we are going to see a lot of different templates or different types of agents that you can create. We are going to choose the service agent because we want to create an agent that helps us with the customer support process of our organization or of our bank, which is going which will help with us with the common queries and escalates complex issues if it is unable to handle the same. So we'll just hit agent for service agent and we'll hit next. And now there are a lot of topics which are already added into this service agent. We are going to remove all of the ones which are already added by just clicking onto this button again, one by one. So we'll just remove case management, account management, reservation management topics, all of the topics, right? And we'll hit next. Now we'll just add the name of the agent. We want to name this agent as banking agent. This is just for a reference to let people know what exactly is the job of this agent and why we have created this. So this agent acts as a digital banking assistant for retail customers. It helps users open new savings or current accounts, check their eligibility for personal loans based on age and income, and raise disputes for suspicious credit card transactions. The agent uses a combination of prompt builder, flows, and Apex to provide real-time assistance and automate record creation in Salesforce. Similarly, we'll write down the role of this particular agent. So it's just going to handle customer support for banking products and services. And in the company, we can write down Salesforce Hulk. And now we have to use the agent user. We have Steve Rogers with us. I'll let you know what exactly this is helping us do, but let's go to next first. Let's just create the agent first and then we'll look into the same. Now, if the data cloud would have been already enabled into this org, we would have been able to choose the data source to collect the data from different data sources. But right now we do not have one, so we'll just hit create and the agent and now the agent is created and we are into Agentforce Builder. Now let's try to understand why we chose Steve Rogers as a user over there. So let's go to setup back again and click on users and make sure the user that you're using over here has the Agentforce license, or you'll probably only be able to use the user which already has the Agentforce license over here in the Agentforce agent builder. So in the users, we'll click on Steve Rogers. Make sure that the user license is Einstein agent and just save it. And also we have to make sure that the right permission sets are assigned to this user. So for that, we'll just go onto the permission sets that are already assigned to him. So over here, we've created two permission sets, Salesforce Hulk permission set and bank agent permissions. And these are other permission sets of Agentforce, like Agentforce agent default agent, service agent configuration, service agent object access, secure base, agent user, and different ones. Like the point of assigning all of these permission sets to the user is so that this Steve Rogers is able to use the service agent that we have created in the Agentforce builder. Without all of these permission sets, the agent will not be able to use the service agent or will not be able to do the things that we want it to do. So we have to make sure that all of these agent for service agent configuration, service agent object access, agent secure base, service agent user, all of these different permission sets are already assigned to this particular user. So the reason why I created this bank agent permissions is because I wanted to provide the object access as well as the Apex class access that we've created to be executed by the service agent. and that is what we have already assigned into the bank agent permissions. And similarly, in the Salesforce Hulk agent, we have added loan eligibility calculator Apex class as access. So by adding all of these permission sets, this user will be able to access all of the Apex classes and all the other things which are required in order for the Agentforce agent to be executed properly. And this particular user sets the guardrails for the agent, that the agent will only be able to execute the functionalities which are allowed to a particular user, which is chosen over there as an agent user. So yeah, that's what it is. There you have it. Your working banking assistant in the form of an AI agent. I hope everything was easy to understand for you guys. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. And if you need some help in building and implementing such agents in your organization, you can check out our Agentforce implementation services at Syntexa. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Liked what you saw? Well, there's a lot more, and I can send you a curated playlist of trending topics, Salesforce updates, and training essentials. Join our newsletter and get your weekly package of exclusive Salesforce content straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. Don't miss out.